Laws are meant to be absolute, and the basis that nobody is above the law is clear.
Have any weed, sir?
Lift your hand, bud.
Hey!
However, there are many entitled people who think otherwise.
Yeah, your precinct would be real proud of you.
It's the 4th precinct, 100. It's
Yeah.
140%.
Yeah, I'm sure they'd be real proud of you. Sit down. Sit down.
Here are 4 incidents where entitled people think they are above the law. On our first case, the officer stopped a woman named Ashley due to the illegal tint on her car's windows. What started out as a simple stop investigation escalated into something bigger.
Hey, how we doing, folks? The window tints are actually the reason why I pulled you over, okay? You cannot have the windshield tinted at all. You have the full windshield tinted. And also the tints in the front are supposed to be 28 in the front and 15 in the back. All right. Is it your vehicle?
No,
Okay, do you have the driver's license, your driver's license with your registration insurance?
I don't have my driver's license, but I have my license.
Is your license suspended?
No.
It's not? Okay. And what's, Ashley, what's your mom's name?
Stephanie.
Do you have the...
Whose car this is?
Yeah, whoever's
What's
registered
the
to.
name?
Do you have the registration?
I don't have it. Might be in here, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there. Well, there's insurance. I'll take that part. I'll go ahead and pull up the registration in the car. Just give me 1 second. Here's the old one back here, too.
Yes, sir.
Yep, give me 2 seconds.
Yes.
Quick question, honest answer, okay? When was the last time marijuana was smoked in the car?
In this car?
Yeah.
It hasn't been smoked in here.
There's been no marijuana smoked in this car.
No. I've been smoking a cigarette. I've been smoking
Okay, well,
a
as soon as
cigarette.
because I could smell the marijuana as soon as I walked up, at least on that side of the car.
Well, I
could
don't
smell
know
it.
I don't know if like her boyfriend smoked weed in here. I just got the car from him.
Okay, that's fine. Is there any marijuana in the car that you know of or anything like that?
No.
No, any guns, weapons, anything? No? Okay.
The officer asks the woman to get out so they can investigate, multiple times at that, and she refuses. In the end, she drives off instead of cooperating. At the time, there wasn't much the officers could do other than put a signal out for the vehicle.
Have you come out for me real quick?
Me?
Yeah.
For what?
I can smell the weed coming from the car.
Where do you smell weed?
I can't, it's coming from the car.
How?
Hey, Bunner, he locked the door.
I'm not smoking any weed.
I'm asking
Lock the door.
I'm asking you one more time.
Why?
I'm gonna ask you one more time. All right, just step out the vehicle. That's all it is. If there's weed in the car, I don't even care if there's weed in the car, honestly. But I got to make sure there's not large amounts of weed.
I
Okay,
don't have
trafficking.
any weed, sir.
Okay, and that's fine. So I'm gonna ask you one more time.
I don't have any weed, sir.
Lift your hand, bud.
Hey. $35. The vehicle just took off from my show. It's going out to 15th Terrace.
But 3 days later, they conduct another traffic stop on the woman, Ashley.
This officer wants to call.
You remember me?
No, I do not.
Yeah, I didn't think so. That's weird.
I don't know you.
I'm sure you don't.
I do not know you, and don't talk to me like that.
Okay, well I'm gonna read you
like
something.
that, so
Okay,
don't
I'm
talk to
gonna
me
read
like
you
that.
something. Okay.
No.
Just listen to what he has to say and we'll go from there, okay?
The officer starts reading her rights, and when asked if she understands what her read to her, she pretends not to.
Well, do you understand your rights I just read to you?
No, I do not.
Do you have any
I
questions?
don't know what's going on.
Do you understand your? I'll explain to you what's going on. You don't understand your rights.
I don't know what's going on.
Okay, so what don't you understand about your rights?
What are you saying all this to me for? I don't understand.
I'm trying to
what's
get to
going
that.
on.
I'm gonna explain the situation. I need to know if you have any questions about your
Don't
rights.
talk to me like that, sir. I'm a human
not.
just like you're a human. Yes, you
Okay.
are.
Do you have any questions about your rights?
Do I? Why am I being stopped and why are y'all talking to me?
I'm not asking if you have questions about what's going on. I'll
So
explain
that's
what's.
a part of my right.
It is.
Why
Okay.
are you stopping me and what is going on?
Okay, so you're not gonna be cooperative and give a statement?
I don't know what you're talking about. A statement
I'm
about
gonna
what?
explain the situation once you let me know if you understand your rights or not.
No.
You don't.
I
What don't you
I
understand
didn't hear
about your
what you
rights?
said. You was talking too fast.
You want me to read it slower for you?
If that's what you gotta do.
Okay, let me read it slower for her. I am required to warn you before you make any statements that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand? Okay. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand? Any statement can be and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now
what's
do you
that?
have any questions about your rights?
No, I don't.
Okay,
Come on,
so
3rd and 11.
anyways, the other day when you were driving that Kia, I pulled you over. It was
wasn't driving
listen,
any
my body camera was on the
I was
entire
not driving any Kia. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, so you don't know what I'm talking about? My body camera was on the entire time, and so was the in-car camera. You identified yourself to me with your name and birthday.
Not me.
When prompted about their earlier encounter, Ashley pretends not to remember, and even goes as far as to say that it hadn't been her. The cop will not play these games with her and immediately puts her in handcuffs.
No, it wasn't you? Okay, well, we're just wasting games. Come on.
Why? What are you doing? Are you serious? Like, why are you staring me down and doing all that? Why? What are you putting me in
You're being
handcuffs
arrested for fleeing and
Why
eluding
are
and
you
resisting.
arresting me?
Fleeing and eluding and resisting.
Why are you arresting
Fleeing
me?
and eluding and resisting.
I haven't fled.
Okay, well, it's on my camera. The camera was on the entire
I have
time.
not
Remember, I asked you to come out the car. You
No, I did
refused,
not.
and you were with your buddy who rolled up
No.
the windows, locked the cars, and you took off down. You don't remember that?
No.
No, maybe I don't know.
No, I do not.
Okay.
Why are you arresting me right now? Seriously.
Fleeing and eluding.
I was not fleeing and eluding.
Okay, well, you did.
No, I did not.
You did.
You did not.
You-
No, it had to be someone else. It was not me.
Another Ashley.
Must be. It wasn't
Must
me.
be. Okay.
Thanks. Can you do the
Are you
transport?
serious right now?
We can't do it.
No, what are you doing? You just said I wasn't under arrest. Now I'm under
No, I never said you're
You
under
just
arrest.
said I was having an interview. What
Yeah,
the
I
hell?
had to give you the opportunity to explain yourself, and you don't want to
Explain
explain
myself
yourself
about what?
for fleeing and eluding.
I wasn't fleeing and eluding.
Tighten it up a little bit on this
Damn.
side.
Let go of your
Don't, why are you
phone.
snatching shit from
Let
me?
go of
Why
your-
are you snatching shit from me?
Let go of your.
What's wrong with
Let
you?
go of your
Michael?
phone.
What the wrong with you? No, what the is wrong with you? You just mad. You just get mad. Are you serious?
Are you done?
The
Are you done?
fucking serious, motherfucking alone.
Come on, let's get it over the car.
No, I'm not going to those fucking I'm not going to jail.
Where's your car? The one in the back?
No, I'm not going to jail. What the fuck?
In the end, the police take her in, and her family has to convince her to go without a fight. It is later on revealed that there was nothing wrong with her license, so if Ashley hadn't fled, she might have avoided all this trouble.
Mom,
She's gonna talk to you.
I hear you. I hear you. Please do what they
And
say.
she-
I don't want them to hurt you. I don't want the police to hurt you.
I'm standing on
I don't want the police to hurt you.
extra charge on me.
After this cooperate, we'll do whatever we
No,
need to do
he's
for
talking
you.
about standing and resisting. I didn't fucking resist this shit. I'm
Put your knee in, Ashley. I don't want them to hurt you. Just do whatever, honey. We got you. Just go.
No, I don't fucking trust them. I don't trust the fucking police. I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable.
Ashley, put your knee in the car, honey. Ashley, we got you. We gonna come and see about you. Just do what they say
Just
do.
make it convenient. Get in the car and we're coming. Just get in the car. Make it
We're coming
convenient.
to get
The more
you.
you harass them, it's a problem. Just go.
In the next case, we have an off-duty police officer from the Chicago Police Department who was caught urinating in an ice machine in a beach bar. Police were called and came immediately to the beach.
Okay. All right. What was they look like? What happened, Jermaine?
He got shoved.
Huh?
He got shoved. He punched in. He pissed in one of the ice buckets in the back.
Oh.
Yeah. Y'all ain't gonna do shit.
What did he look like?
Tall dude, we got
A white shirt? Pissing in an ice bucket sounds good to me. I'm enough for 62.
While the police officers were getting pulled over to the beach where the man was with his girlfriend, he saw them coming and decided to run, and they chased him.
Hey, you're gonna get tased! Hey, if I get you, you're gonna get tased! Hey, you're gonna get tased! Get the on the ground! Both of you on the ground, right now! Get on the ground! Yeah!
When they finally caught him, they were surprised when he mentioned that he have his budge in the back of his pocket, thinking it would do any difference. Unfortunately for him, this was not going to be the case.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. My badge? Congratulations, I don't give a badge.
I'm sorry, what's going on?
Back up! Back up!
Is this a joke?
Guys, what's going on?
Are you guys serious?
You look like I'm joking.
You guys have a real life on this?
Back up!
Hey, hey, back up.
Yeah, we chased him down to this trade winds. We're getting him in custody. Just stand by.
I'm not doing anything.
Hey, back him up. I'm not gonna you
Guys, what's going on?
Hey, back up, but don't talk to me.
No, we're good.
Guys,
I don't give a about your badge, dog.
guys, we're not.
Hey, dog,
we're
ain't
not
talking
bad. What's going on?
Is that my arrest right now? Is that a problem?
Disorderly conduct, yeah, and the license
Hey,
suspension.
you guys fucking.
Yeah, sit down.
I am gonna sit down. This is a joke.
Sit down.
You're gonna push me here? You're the toughest guy I know.
Congratulations.
Right here. Look at you.
Yeah, your precinct would be real proud of you.
It's the 4th precinct, Hunter. It's
Yeah.
140%.
Yeah, I'm sure they'd be real proud of you. Sit down. Sit down. You stand up like that again, you're gonna tase. Think I'm playing. Yo, bro,
I'm sitting bench.
bro, you're about to get dumped.
I'm sitting on
you
the
can't
bench.
like that, bro.
I'm sitting on the bench, man. Jesus Christ. What the fuck are you talking about?
That's just still on the bench, dude.
Sit on the bench, bro.
You keep your chest up.
I'm sitting on the
Back
bench,
up.
dude. I'm sitting on the bench.
Hun, just sit on the bench. Henry,
Sit on the bench.
If you thought him being a cop would understand that complying is the best option, well, you were wrong.
It is a thing.
Hey, he's right. It's obstruction. Stand
guys,
back.
this is really not a thing, though.
Okay, ma'am, can you please just back up?
Hold on a second,
Right
man.
I'm trying.
I'm talking to my girlfriend here.
And I'm giving her a lawful
Hey,
order to back
Stand
up.
back. Stand
Guys,
back.
this is really not a thing. You have
It is.
other things to
Kate,
do.
Kate, stand back. These guys got a problem with me for no reason. Stand back.
You're going to jail for disorderly conduct. You can't be drunk, piss in ice buckets, yell at security, get in their
ice
face.
bucket, stand at the security guards.
Hey, stop.
Let me see your proof here.
Guys,
Show your badge. Show your thing.
Right here.
It is right there.
Bro, if you stand back up,
What are you gonna?
sit down.
You're gonna throw me down again,
Sit down.
buddy?
It's right here.
Buddy. All right.
Stop.
Good. 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 Is this the Tampa Bay Police?
It's the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office.
And that was it's the what?
Bro, sit down.
You keep pushing my face on the wall here.
Yeah, if you keep standing up.
Face on the wall here.
Have I showed any resistance?
Yes, you keep.
Have I showed
you keep.
resistance?
You're about to get arrested for obstruction.
Have I showed
Back
resistance?
up.
I'm not kidding.
Hey, Sarge. Hey, Sarge.
Henry, stop.
Sarge.
Hey, partner, I need you to relax for a second, okay?
I-
But listen to me. Listen to me.
Henry.
I've been here for a few minutes. You've been nothing but yelling. Relax.
Henry,
My body
stop
cameras are
right
on.
now.
Just relax.
Henry.
You guys are not making things better for yourself.
The police understood that the man was very drunk and can't answer any questions. So they went to investigate what really happened with the bar employee.
What happened exactly?
I'm going back to go get ice to the bar, and I see him he whipped his,
Dig out.
yeah, dig out, and he's pissing in the ice bucket. I just poured all the pee out, and then he's being verbal, abusive, and then he got physical with me and Jermaine, so the first person good time twice, and we're just trying to get him to go, and
Danny came and got me, obviously, and I went in, he was still peeing in there.
So you saw him?
I saw him in there, yeah. But, so I told him, like, hey, bro, people use the ice out of here, those ice buckets, and he went back and forth with me or whatever. He started to come out. I told him he had to leave. He said, I'm walking out the front. I said, walk out the front or you go out the side or whatever. He's like, I go where the I go. I'm like, okay, whatever, man, just get out of here, bro. And he turns around, he pushes me, Danny comes up, steps up, pushes Danny. And I get up on him. I did grab his arm and grab his stomach. Like, bro, don't do this right now. His girlfriend screaming and stuff like that. Don't do it, whatever. Danny called 911. I wasn't going to do it, and I really don't want him to get in any trouble like that, any big trouble over that. But, I mean, it's on Danny, you know. And I get up on him. I did grab his arm and grab his stomach. Like, bro, don't do this right now. His girlfriend screaming and stuff like that. Don't do it, whatever. Danny called 911. I wasn't going to do it, and I really don't want him to get in any trouble like that, any big trouble over that. But, I mean, it's on Danny, you know.
He was later charged with disorderly conduct and battery. Also, an internal investigation was conducted, and he was finally relieved of his police duties. This next case is almost just as simple to be resolved, but this woman decides to be particularly difficult with her decisions.
The lady's refusing to leave the premises.
Why?
She doesn't want to wear a mask. Now she doesn't have business apparently here either, so she just wants to stand here without a mask.
If you have no business here, you need to leave the building.
Why? My business is to ask these men why every time I come here, or I go to school with my kids, or I go to practice with my kids, we have to wear a mask. You are all here to protect me as much as you're here to protect everyone in this building.
Right.
That's what you signed up for.
Okay.
I should not put a mask on my face. It affects my immune system.
Okay.
I I'm a statistician. I look at the data. There is no data out there to prove that I need to have a mask on my face, nor should my children. Do any of you have children?
Yep.
This is not the forum for you to.
It is because I pay taxes to that treasurer's office, just like you do.
We agree with
So
you.
here,
Then what are you doing? Take your mask off and stop doing this. It's ridiculous.
Okay. Have a good day.
I'm not leaving.
This woman refuses to wear a mask during the COVID-19 issue order at courthouse. Her reasoning being that God gave her her face, so she will show it.
You need to leave the building. You leave the building, or you-
Dedicated to the glory of Almighty God.
In memory of Calvert County men and women who served their country with valor and honor. Is this valor and honor? Put a mask on your face? Are you Muslim?
Look, we think.
Do you want me to be?
Don't. Okay.
I'm not. I'm
Go
a
ahead.
Christian.
All right,
I'm not
go
going to cover my face. Okay? I'm not doing it. God gave me this face and I'm going to show it.
I'm not getting
Leave
out.
the building.
Don't touch me. You
Leave
have
the
no
building.
right.
Yes, I do.
No,
Leave the
you
building.
do not. You do not have the right to touch me.
I'm asking you to leave. I'm asking
not
you to leave.
leaving.
I'm telling you to
I
leave
will
now.
not
All right,
leave.
cool. You're under arrest for trespass.
Do not touch me.
I'm going. Let me get the door. I'm going. You can't hang back.
Yep.
You're making. No. Wait a second.
Don't rip my coat because you're buying a new one. Jesus, please intercede for me in this situation.
We're going to help you out.
The officer keeps trying to have a civil talk with her outside, but the woman stands her ground or her beliefs against wearing masks. She thinks that it's not a law to wear a mask on her face, and so she shouldn't be treated like this because of it.
Shame on you. Shame, shame, shame on you. You have children?
Why are you worried about my
What a
my
shame.
son? Why?
Because they're going to end up in camps if you keep acting like this. Would you put them in a camp and burn them up? Is that what you would do? Like the Jews in the ovens?
Are you a veteran or something?
My family are.
Okay, I'm a retired veteran, so that's probably not the way you want to go with that. You understand?
Well, I mean, that's what you're doing right now.
Definitely not.
Yeah, it is.
Do you know what it is? Here, we're going to stand on this side and we're going to talk a minute. So do you know what the issue is? Is that we had a very high spike over Christmas break of COVID.
COVID is a cold.
Okay. What do you know what I'm not?
Nazi.
Yeah, I'm not that. Right?
Almost.
No, definitely not.
You're absolutely.
I'm also not a doctor. But do you know what I will do out of the common courtesy of others? If I'm being asked to do this, I will. Okay? Do I like this?
You're doing it for a check.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yep, you're exchanging peace for money.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Absolutely not.
Yep.
Because I'm paid either way. Okay? So it's not required.
I'm
But
paid
it's-
right now.
it's
I'm a federal
common
employee, and you're treating me like this.
courtesy. I'm treating you with respect. Just because you're in handcuffs is not my doing. You're right. You're allowed to have your opinion. You're not
Exactly, I am. I am. I didn't touch you. I didn't hurt anybody. I stood there and spoke my mind because this is wrong.
Yeah. But you also didn't leave when you were told to go to the courthouse.
That doesn't matter. I don't have to leave for not wearing a mask on my face.
For here you do. Yeah.
No, I do not. That's my courthouse. I pay taxes for that.
Do you?
Yes. This is ridiculous. Shame on you all.
Even when she's been escorted to jail's doorstep, she doesn't step down on her words and goes as far as to think she hasn't been arrested. She keeps giving the officers an attitude throughout their questioning.
Miss Keene, step out, please.
Trespassing in a public building.
Up the stairs, please. Walk up the stairs. Step in, please.
Just hold on 1 second. We have to have medical come out. Ask for some stuff.
All right.
Hi. Any medical history? I don't have to answer any of your questions. I shouldn't be here.
Okay, so we have to ask you some questions so we can get some information from you so we can
It's my right
process
not to
it in the
answer.
system. Okay,
I have a right to an attorney. I'd like one right now.
okay.
Touched. And I'm not going to wear a mask. It's my right not to.
Can you grab a mask? It's right here.
Am I being arrested right now?
You already are
You
arrested.
already are.
I wasn't read my rights.
You're in custody.
I was not read my rights. Are you going to read me my rights?
I'm not asking you questions. So you're not.
I have not been arrested.
Yes, you have.
I have not been arrested.
Yes, you have.
No, I have
Yes,
not.
you have.
No one has read me my rights. I have not been arrested. You may not touch me. You've already broken that rule to arrest me, and I have not been arrested, so I should not be at this jail right now.
Well, you're here.
It is my right, constitutionally, to not be here. This is against my rights. 100% this is against my rights. You may not touch me. You may not... What? You're breaking the law.
Okay, so I'm going to explain something to you, and it's your choice whether you want to listen or not. If you have any drugs or illegal contraband on you, and you don't let us know that you have it on you now, as soon as you walk through this door...
I'm not walking through the door.
You are.
Listen to me.
I have not been read my rights. I'm not arrested.
Miss Keene, stop talking, listen.
If you walk through this door, and you're brought into this facility, and you have illegal drugs or contraband on you, it is a felony charge, not a misdemeanor. Contraband, drugs,
I did not, when I arrived at the courthouse, I do not know if any were placed in my purse while they took it from me because I did not have it the whole time. So I do not know.
Okay, come on inside.
Welcome, sir.
There you go.
Push me. Push me.
She was charged with disorderly conduct and trespassing. This last case is extra despicable as the cops have to deal with an entitled couple fighting against them. They pulled the car over due to suspicious bank activity and then noticed the driver was also not using his seatbelt.
What's up, man? Police department.
Okay, I'm not going nowhere.
You got a driver's license?
What?
You got a driver's license on you?
Not with me in the car.
Okay. You want to give my partner your name?
What?
Give my partner your name?
This is my girlfriend, bro.
All right, well, she can wait. You got ID on you?
No, not with me.
Where's it at?
At home.
It's at home?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You said this is your girlfriend right here?
Yeah. What did y'all put me
over? Oh, here,
over?
jump on out. We'll talk to you so you can be by your girlfriend and stuff.
Okay, what are y'all putting me over for?
Because you weren't wearing your seatbelt and you're on
Yes,
your cell phone.
I was wearing
and you're
my
on your
seatbelt, and
cell
I was
phone.
not on my cell phone. I'm using
All right.
GPS.
Okay. All right.
I was not on my cell phone.
Well, like I said, man, I'll talk to you about it out here, okay?
What am I
You want to hang out with your girlfriend or not?
I'm saying, what am I
I'm
being
asking you to
pulled
get out
over
of the car
for in
now.
first place?
I just told you why.
No, you did not.
I did, dude.
You didn't.
I did, 100%.
When did I not have my seatbelt on?
When I was next to you in the
I
light.
just took my seatbelt off when you just pulled up.
You didn't?
You just pulled behind me.
I don't want to argue. I'm not saying I'm going to write you a ticket or anything about that. I'm telling you why. I just told you why.
First place, officer.
I just told you why I'm stopping you. That's all.
For what?
I told you why. Because I could ask you to.
The boyfriend has to be told multiple times to get out of the car and the reason why, but he's proving to be extra difficult. The cops have to threaten to break his window for him to finally give in.
Step out of the car.
I'm gonna break your window, Rashawn. I'm gonna break your window. I'm gonna break your window. Step on out. I'm gonna break your window.
Please don't break the window.
Chill out.
Please don't break the window.
Okay, step out of the car.
What's going on? I know what's this going on.
Why are you doing this, man?
Doing
why are you
what?
making us go through all
This
this?
is y'all.
This is gonna be your girlfriend's car. She's
Bro,
got a
I'm
broken
out of
window.
the car.
Right after coming out, the suspect acts out and forces the officers to detain him.
No right to be doing anything that y'all doing. I'm not doing nothing.
Stop, dude.
Bro, I'm not
Dude.
doing
Okay.
anything.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything.
Listen, okay, your car smells like weed. I can see roaches.
No,
in
it
the-
does not smell like weed. I
can
smoked
see-
this morning, and
Okay,
weed is
but
not
I-
illegal.
Yes, but you can't smoke inside your vehicle.
What am I putting my hands behind my
Right now
back
you're being
for? I'm
detained.
not
You're
doing
being detained.
anything.
Put your hands behind
Bro,
your back
what
now.
the fuck, bro? Come get my phone. Bro, you overdoing it, bro.
Step out, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am. Get out of the car.
I'm doing nothing. I'm closing my car door. I can't close
You're not doing anything. Okay.
Bro, you're
Let him
pushing
back
me
off
for
the car.
what, bro? What the f*** you
Back
doing
off the
all that
car.
extra shit? I'm in cuffs. Where the f*** I'ma go?
Stop.
Get your goof ass off me.
Almost as soon as they control the boyfriend, his girlfriend comes out of the vehicle demanding answers she won't listen to.
touching me because I didn't do nothing. Because I know what's going on.
Yeah, I'll explain right here. Can
I
you
know
stay
what's
with me
going
right
on with
here?
him. Ricky, calm down.
Hey, look,
Rashad,
I don't
calm
want you to
down.
scream. If you're gonna scream and you're gonna throw your arms around, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs for
For
my
what?
safety and your
I'm
safety.
not doing
I'm
nothing to
explaining
you.
something to you.
I'm continuously
Okay?
stepping back.
That's fine.
I'm just trying to see what's going on.
Okay.
Can I please have his
No,
phone?
you cannot.
Why can I have his phone?
Because
What's his phone doing?
They're conducting an investigation. If you continue,
Okay, can I know what's going
I'm not
on
gonna-
with him, though? What
You're not
investigation?
listening to
Can
me.
you speak then? I'm steady asking. Ain't nobody saying shit to me. Y'all arrested. I don't know what going on. This is my boyfriend. I'm trying to see what's going on with him.
What's your name?
She can get my phone, bro. She has the right to get my property if I'm telling her to get my property, bro. You can give her my phone. I just said give her my phone.
Stop with your hands, bro.
What is you talking about?
Stop. We're searching you again, dude.
Bro, I don't have shit, bro.
We're
You
searching
steady
again.
bending
We're
me
gonna search
over.
We're gonna search you a third time department.
I don't give a bro.
like 10 times.
I
So
don't give a
that's
bro.
That's
You
what we're
bending
doing
me
right
over back and forth, bro. That shit hurts.
She also ends up in handcuffs due to her behavior.
My name is Lexi. Can I know what's going on with him now?
Lexi, I just showed up on scene.
Okay, then can I know
listen
what's
to
going
me.
on with them?
No.
Because ain't nobody telling me
I
nothing.
will let you know when I
Then
know.
speak. Let me know.
I just told you I showed up on
Okay
scene.
then, who
No.
else? I'm
Stop.
not doing
Stop.
nothing. Why are you holding me?
Stop.
After taking both into custody, the police continue investigation on the vehicle. They manage to find weed and a gun in there, and both partners in crime continue their ruse to get out of the situation, or try to anyway.
You're in handcuffs. I'm not letting
Come
you
right
just...
now. No,
Stop.
Freddie, come in here.
Stop.
You take my headphones.
Stop.
You have no reason to be doing this.
Stop. I've asked you to stand in one place. You continue... Listen to me.
I'm continually moving back.
Listen to me.
When I call my mama.
Listen to me. You continue to move.
I'm saying, can you tell them to take her out of... She didn't do shit, bro. Lexi, bro. Chill out, bro.
Is there anything in the bag?
Yeah, there's some pro meth and a bag of weed. A little bit of weed so far.
I'm trying to see what's going on. He asked me to bring him his phone. Grab his phone from me. I'm trying to see why can I get it.
Because we are in the middle of an investigation. He's not from our police department.
I told you to stay over there, didn't I?
I backed up.
Stand right
I
here.
wasn't
Stop
close to
moving.
them.
The officers try to explain the situation to the girlfriend, Lexi, despite her continuous attitude and talk back.
I'm not letting you make... Yes, I'm not letting you make phone calls because you're telling people to come to the traffic stop. I don't need more people here to cause more scenes.
I came from right here.
Lexi,
Right here.
I'm
My
gonna-
suite is right here.
Okay,
I'm not talking to you.
I
I'm
just
talking
talked to the
them.
officers who stopped. That's your boyfriend?
Yes,
and I
you
will
heard him say
explain.
that's my girlfriend.
I will explain to you what's going on, okay? Because now I have the full story. But when you try to go past me and try to get to the officers while they're...
I didn't try to
Listen
get to
me.
the officers.
Listen
I
to
tried
me.
to
I'm
close
talking.
my car door. so I
When you
could
try
do
to get,
that.
when you try to walk up on a traffic stop while they're in the middle of an investigation...
That's my boyfriend. I don't know what's going on. I seen
Okay.
his car pull up to my
They
suite
con-
right here,
they
and I
conducted-
seen lights and
listen to
ran
me,
out here.
Listen to me. They conducted a traffic stop. When they walked up to the vehicle, they could see cannabis in plain sight. The car smells like weed. Clearly somebody's been smoking in it. You can't smoke in a vehicle. It's like having open alcohol. When they asked him to step out, he didn't want to step out.
I heard him ask why he had to step out. I was right here. I can't. As soon as I seen
Because
lights,
they're
I
going to
ran
conduct
out
a
here.
search based on the odor and visual observances of cannabis. When you come onto the scene, it's fine if you want to stand on the corner and
I
you
didn't
listen.
walk up
listen.
close to. I was right here.
When I
was
got
about
up
to
here,
close
you were
that door. If
closing
y'all
doors.
said, because I tried to close the door. I didn't know if y'all said y'all had to search the car. I would say okay.
Okay.
But nobody said that. I kept asking what's going on.
But
I said that's
nobody's-
my boyfriend. I'm trying to see what's going on with him. You
You're
didn't make
still
it no
not-
better. You
you're
still
not
handcuffed
letting
me
me
for
talk
what?
to you. You're still not letting me talk to you. You immediately became irate and tried to
Because
walk.
you steady
listen to me.
asking me, you not
Because
giving me
I'm
what I'm trying to see
I'm
what's going
trying
on.
to
You not
explain to
helping
you
me.
what's going on.
She gets taken in custody as well. Her boyfriend gets charged with unlawful use of weapon, substance possession, resisting arrest, obstruction of ID, and seatbelt violation, while Lexi gets charged with resisting arrest. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.